This guy uses a foot crank platform ladder for easy mobility. This guy uses a widespread rubberized spatula with an extension pole for easy replenishing the floor. This guy uses a dirt leveler to pulverize the surface to become flat at all times. This guy is a champion for tile setting, using an angular design on the flooring. This smart guy uses a piece of washer and a pencil to measure and fit the uneven wall. Using a widespread wood spatula with an extension pole, this guy easily applied the floor varnish on the floor. This guy uses special tile jig tools to easily set up the tiles in a matter of minutes. This guy uses steam glue to reactivate the special adhesive in the carpet. This guy uses a side-to-side swing method to have an equal peeling of rubberized flooring. This guy uses a 45-degree angle near bar machine to lock and smoothen the flooring. This guy uses a special tool to smoothen and replenish the newly set up staircase. A wide spread of grout and steel spatula is used to set up the new tile design. This guy uses a preheated mop to spread out the rubber floor sticker. This guy uses a self-adhesive plastic roll that is attached to a metal roller and it's applied to the newly set up carpet. This guy is very smart and skilled to replace a damaged floor vinyl. Instead of using an old style of tile setting, this guy uses a thread type attachment to ensure the tiles are in a perfect position. Using a sharp blade cutter, this guy perfectly fit the vinyl in this kitchen. Using a portable drill, this guy pinch holes in a bucket to easily spread out the floor adhesive. This guy customized the steel spatula in order to set up the tiles easily. This guy is a master in replacing wood flooring in a matter of minutes. This guy uses an old-fashioned way, but very useful in making circular measurement on the floor. A bunch of barbecue stick and a piece of cardboard is used to get the right angle of the flooring. This guy uses a triangular ruler to easily get the perfect measurement on the flooring.